Hey, what's up with my agents? On my way to Super Muscle Parts. About to try to get a radiator and whatever the hell this is. I don't know what this is. It came off, but the front end. But they look bad, so I'm replacing them. So that's what the plan is today. And I think we're gonna get some work done. I think Josh gonna come over today or tomorrow and finish the welding. That's the plan. Yeah. So stay with me. So y'all see where we at. Back here again, about to find out what this is, see how much they're gonna charge me for it, and see if I can get a radiator up out of here. Let's go.
I'll find those for you too.
Okay.
I also realized I need a right-hand front blinker. I know it's a whole assembly concept.
I got lenses too.
Yeah, I don't need the I don't need the lens. I just need the pigtail and all that.
I think we got to order that.
Hold on.
Pretty sure we got to order that.
Yeah, y'all, so I came for a radiator, and I think I'm gonna grab this center drag link. I think I'm getting that. And I gotta get these, because these old ones are no good. And he's looking for me a radiator right now. This is the people been asking for you, man. They've been asking for you. They was like, "Where Ken at?"
I'm
He's
here
busy. He's a busy man.
all the time, but
What, I'm not good enough?
You great, man. They love you too.
But you know,
They
if
ain't
you call
seen
me,
Ken in a while.
I'll meet you here. You know what I mean?
Oh, nah, I can't never. I'm like you, Ken. I don't know when I'm coming or when I'm going.
Oh, you running around like
I
a
just-
crazy man.
I just show up.
So you're gonna be our neighbor, huh?
Look what I just ran into. This thing wet. I wish the owner was here so we could get a tour of it, because he's nice. Hey, what's up with my agents? So this is what we got going on today. I'm gonna play with this sway bar, get some of that grease off of it. We got Josh back, getting back to welding. So stay with me. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I'm just gonna show y'all the before and the after. This is the before. See all that grease on there? About to hit him with this degreaser. Look at that. That's that. Put it in this spray bottle right here. I'm about to get to it. So look, y'all, that's all the grease right there. Yeah, remember the before. Got all that grime up over there. You know it's off because look at my pants. It's hitting my pants and ain't no grime coming off of it. So now we debating, should we spray it or not?
I got some brush on. It's pretty good. If you really want to paint it.
This was my degreasing project right here. I degreased that. We're not going to use that because I bought a new one. So if you want to buy this, I'm selling it. don't know if it's worth anything, but hey, I got it. Degreased, ready to go. I bought a new one. We are reusing this sway bar. I degreased it. And we putting that spray bar back. I think we're gonna spray it. And put that back on there. So right here we got the old one versus the new one. You can tell which one came off the car. And then we putting the new ones on there.
I think this one's better, man. These are a little softer than these. These are, I don't know.
Just a quick look at her. That's all I want to do. Nothing major. So with my agents, man, I'm just tapping back in with y'all. We honestly ain't got much to do, much more to do. I did all I'm gonna do for the day. So we gonna continue this welding, and I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a minute. There ain't much more to it. It should be done sooner than later. You know what I'm talking about?
All that in there too. It doesn't look too bad at all.
It doesn't. To be honest with you, I can't even see the shit because of that.
Because that texture paint
Yeah,
kind of
because of that texture.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up with my agents? Oh, yeah, so today I'm about to run the AutoZone real quick, get some antifreeze. Because I'm gonna put a radiator on her. Josh's supposed to come down here and wrap up this welding today so we can put that front end back together. I'm gonna try to take the radiator off and put the new radiator on before we get here. That's the plan. But if I don't, I'm gonna try to get that radiator on today. I'm having a hard time pronouncing these motherfucking words, huh? How you doing, bro? So that's the plan. Stay with me. So I believe that this is all I'm gonna need for the radiator. I don't need this, but I believe that this is all I'm gonna need for the radiator. Take it off and put it back on. We shall see. We shall see. My gloves too, though. I'm actually gonna change this clamp out too. I don't like it. I mean, ain't nothing really wrong with it, but I got newer ones, so why not just change them out? But shit, if ain't nothing wrong with them, you don't gotta replace them. But I'm replacing them. I got some new ones. Shit, after that, just hit these. Whoop, 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 whoop. Then unscrew these transmission line, this transmission line right there, and that one, and call it a day. It's gonna be up out of there. So I got her up out of there. Boom, look at that. It's horrible. Yeah, it's pretty bad. And this is what we're putting up in there. I got her in there, and I just got to hook up these transmission lines. Hey, while I got y'all here, I just want to thank you if you've been rocking with me. We growing, and we growing. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, and I appreciate it. If you got a page, I'll return the favor. You hear me? Thank you. I appreciate you. What's up with my agents? Money making Monday, man. Got bad news. We didn't finish the welding or the front end. But I'd rather have it done right than have it done fast. So she's still on the jack stands. We got one side complete. The other side gonna be fast. We should be done by this weekend. But shit happens. So we're gonna have to wrap it up on the next video, man. Bad news, I'm sorry. Next video though, next video, guaranteed.